Hi, this is Suzanne from SL Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble this cute little handbag favour box. Perfect for wedding favours, bridal showers and birthdays. The template for this box is available from my Etsy shop, and I'll put a link for that in the description below. Okay, so once you have everything cut out, you need to fold all of the score lines. Then you need to put some glue, or I'm using red liner tape here, just on the base of the back piece there. And you're going to put the base of the front piece on top and just press it down, and this is going to really strengthen the base. Next you need to do these side pieces. So there are 4 tabs on the sides, so just work your way around. Again, I'm using red liner tape here. Work your way around, making sure all the side pieces are lined up. And make sure they're all pressed down. For the lock on the front, you're going to need these 3 hearts. So you're going to fold them all in half. Then you need to glue 2 of those hearts onto the back of the other heart. So just lining them up there. So I've got the 2 folded hearts on the back. So it should make this shape here. Okay, make sure that's all pressed down firmly and then leave that to dry. For the handle pieces, you need to begin by just bending them into shape, giving them a nice curve. Then you need to glue the handle panel on top of the handle. So I'm just using a wet glue here just so I can get it into position. Press it all down, and then as you're pressing it down, just again bend it slightly, just so that it's nice and flush against the handle. This now needs to be attached to the top of the handbag. So again, I'm using some red liner tape here. So just position it. It's got to be in the centre of the side panel there. So attach both ends in the same way, making sure it's all lined up in the centre. Then once you're happy with the position, push it down, and then you can start to bend it into shape. Now for the panel that goes over the lid, I've gone ahead and I've embossed this one, and I've put red liner tape all the way around. I'm just going to put a little bit of liquid glue just around that part there, just so I can get it into position. So that part that's cut out there, you need to line that up with the lid. Make sure it's all lined up underneath. Press it down. You can just give it a little bend here just to make it curve. Press it all down. And you can straighten up those handles a little bit more. So now that the lock is dry, just fold that front heart in half, and you're going to push that through that cutout part in the lid. Open up the back bit there. Try and get it central into the cutout part. Then apply some, I'm just using wet glue here, but you could use tape. Then press it down onto the front of the box. Try and get it in the centre again. Press it down, and then very carefully, if you pinch the front heart there, you can just get your fingers in underneath, and then it's easier to press that down into position. And then once that's dry, you can push it back in, open out that front heart, and that is how your little handbag locks. As you can see, there's plenty of room inside for some wedding favours or some birthday treats. And there they are, little handbag favour boxes.